Today I'm gonna make cucumber salad, but non-spicy version. Cut the tips first. Cut it into 1 bite size. And it's gonna need only 5 ingredients, so it's very easy. I think most of them in your pantry already, so you don't have to buy anything extra. And actually I saw that somebody make cucumber salad like very nicely. It looks beautiful. Like cut the cucumber like this, like only, no, it shouldn't break. Just halfway, not all the way. And then putting them something like that. But this is not the one. Maybe I cut too thick. Never mind, I'm not gonna do that. Transfer to the bowl. Let's cut the rest. So this time I'm not gonna use any chili powder, gochugaru. So if you can handle spicy, this is for you. Always be careful when you use knife. When I just moved to the state, I was working at a kitchen. That time was like my first job in the US, and actually I didn't have any experience, but everyone else in the kitchen, when they cut vegetables, they were like pa 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 pa. So I was like, I think I should do fast as them, otherwise I'm gonna get in trouble or something, because that was my first time here. And then I cut myself a few times. Ooh. Anyways, it's almost done. Now what we're gonna do is let's do season. I'm gonna get a spoon so I can give it the exact measurement. Let's do salt first. Almost 1 spoon of salt and 1.5 spoon of sugar. And then 3. Let's do 3. 3 spoon of vinegar. 2, 3. And then 1 spoon of minced garlic. I have fresh garlic here. Where's the grinder? I forgot. I always forget things. Oh, where is it? I'm gonna use like 4 cloves of garlic. You know, like these days, I sleep pretty good. And somehow in the daytime, I feel very lazy. It's not lazy. My body has no energy, like tired. I don't know why. So I started taking vitamin D today. I hope it's gonna help. And maybe I need to do a little workout as well. This is it. Now we have to mix it. Actually, let me add some sesame seeds. Actually, I changed my mind again. I'm gonna mix it first and then finish up with this sesame seed. Let's mix it. Again, I forgot. Sesame oil, around 2 rounds. I would say 2 spoons. And when you use good quality of sesame oil, makes everything really better. Make it very flavorful. Ooh. Wow. This smells so good. So everything we use, yeah, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the caption, okay? Wow. Look at this. Let's sprinkle sesame seeds. Taste test. Who made this? It's really good. 와, 대박. Wow, 진짜 맛있어. Wow, I can't stop. I mean, it's actually good. 맛있다.